What's the funniest movie line you ever heard? Funniest movie line? Mm, Probably at this moment, funniest movie line. I'm not really remember what is actually the funniest movie line. Probably yeah, like somehow I laugh because of some certain line in the movie. But usually, let me tell you one thing now. Our brain remember such a thing which is kind of like a something really very important to you, or kind of like a something really connect to you. There is a one specific line in a movie that I haven't really forget, maybe in entire life. The movie name is Iron Man First, and in that Iron Man, the lead character Robert Downey Jr. says, not like Robert Downey, no, the Iron Man, the Tony Stark says, always run before I walk. Okay, so basically, is this thing? This is kind of like a something really a quote that I just like I just can't forget that. It's actually kind of like a something really connect with me. There is also one line that in the movie Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. In that movie, Ranbir Kapoor has a character named Bunny, has a dialogue. He says that कि अगर कहीं पहुंचना है तो कहीं से निकलना ज़रूरी होता है. ओके, लाइक इफ़ यू अगर कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना ज़रूरी होता है. This is a line kind of like a something really hit me really really hard that yeah. So these are kind of like a some of the lines, and these lines are not funny. Okay, these are kind of like a something really line which is kind of like a something really that make me think that ki, is it my reality is true or not, or I am doing something really right or not. Okay, so for me usually I prefer to remember such a line which is inspired me instead of funny. ओके, हाँ, अगर फ़नी मूवी है, वहाँ पे कोई डायलॉग्स है, वो काफ़ी फ़नी है, मुझे अच्छा लगा, बट आई माइट नॉट रिमेंबर दैट फ़नी थिंग बिकॉज़ like basically I am not that person that I should supposed to remember the funny thing. My priority is bit kind of like a something really that कि like basically आप किसी ऐसे इंसान से like I'm kind of like a prefer to be inspired. लाइक यूजुअली मैं उसी चीज़ को रिमेंबर रखना चाहूँगा जो एक तरह से मुझे इंस्पायर्ड करती है, ना कि फ़नी चीज़ें. ओके, हाँ, बट स्टिल इफ़ यू आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन टू द सच अ पर्सन हु इज़ very enthusiastic for comedies and funny, like it doesn't mean that I didn't really like the comedy. I like the comedy, yeah, but I consume comedy, or I consume the those stuff are kind of like a something make me feel little bit of happy, that's it. Okay, for that moment, that's it. So yeah, these are kind of like a thing, but at this moment I'm not really remember any kind of like a something really funny line in the movie. No, not really that much. Next question.